Hey guys, how you going? Alright, so back again with a video. Today we are going to make coasters. I'm gonna use some wood I got off a tree in my backyard. And yeah, we're gonna turn it into coasters. So stay tuned, find out, and let's get to it. Hey guys, so once again we're going to do some crafts. We're going to reuse this log again. It's in shot. Obviously we're going to cut it into discs. When you have a disc, again, we're going to turn this into a nice coaster. And we're going to engrave, a name in it as well. Right, so once you have it relatively flat, you obviously you would finish it up more than this one is. As you can see, I've got other stuff, but I'm a little pressed for time coming up on the wedding, so I am going to go with as is. But you would finish. This is just a I guess a demonstration one. Now with the writing, I'm using a soldering iron. Is actually used to I guess solder. Well, yeah, to solder electricals and other stuff together. I'm going to be using it for drawing. It's a little hard when you're using the tip that comes with it. You have to draw a name or words that we're going to inscribe on here. Obviously, we're going to do the words budget tunes. So first up, I'm going to draw them in pencil, and then in pen, practice, and then once I've done that, I'm going to draw in pencil and then in marker on here. I think a smaller point pen. I misspelled. I'm transcribing. So we're done, guys. Here it is. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but in my opinion, it turned out really, really nicely. It's nicely colored with the stain, and you know, the what would you call that, engraving or burning or whatever. I know you can get like pyrograph pens or whatever they are and use them to make these, do like a drawing. So I do want to invest one, but I only had the soldering iron, so that's what I used. So these are really, really handy for all sorts of things, like events and stuff. The reason I actually made this to begin with, I gave this a go, was I was considering what the options were for my wedding. My wedding's coming up, so I was, you know, making stuff. I was going to use these, make a bunch of these for my wedding with all of my guests, but I realized I didn't really have enough of the same wood. The piece that I used wasn't exactly very big. I had other pieces from the same tree, but they were different diameters, and the bark looks slightly different, and I didn't want it to look too weird. So in the end, I actually went and got just acacia wood. What do you call it? And we got a Cricut, and a Cricut machine, and had a friend write their names of all our guests on and just sprayed it. This is one of the ones that really mucked up, and I had to peel away the thing, and I just been using it on my desk. That's not my desk. Anyway, there's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I personally think this turned out really well. Really fantastic. I'm glad I did it. I'm gonna do it again. Like seriously, I would happily make these custom for anyone, like, you know, friends, family, or people ordering them. I might even look into doing that. Anyway, till next time, guys, stay safe, look after each other, and as always, if you're doing projects or work, be safe about it. Safety first, it's really important. Anyway, see you guys.